This is Mark with Herbal Nutrition, here to talk about LoseBig, the interactive weight loss challenge website for Herbalife independent distributors. I'm going to show you a demo of the website and what it can do for you, but before we start that, I want to give you a little background on what is LoseBig and who can use it. LoseBig is an interactive weight loss challenge website that allows Herbalife distributors to manage their challenges online and allows your participants to learn more about a challenge, to register online, and once the challenge is started, they're able to view their progress, download the class handouts in Adobe PDF format. LoseBig is available to all Herbalife distributors, regardless of your team or downline, and is available in over 12 countries. The cost for LoseBig is $9.95 per month, and it's included with your Herbal Nutrition retail website, and there's also a bonus recruiting website included also. LoseBig was created by the webmasters of the Herbal Nutrition Network. We have been creating websites for distributors since 1999. We're currently the largest independent provider of retail websites for Herbalife distributors. And LoseBig is part of Herbal Nutrition, so basically you get 3 websites for $9.95 per month. You get the Weight Loss Challenge website. You also get a fully featured retail website and a recruiting website, all for $9.95 a month. Okay, this is the Herbal Nutrition homepage, and this is where you would go to create an herbalnutrition.net account, which also includes LoseBig. Okay, we're going to go look at LoseBig, which is open here in another tab. The address for this website is losebig.net/mark, and this is a demo site that we use for testing purposes. I am signed in as a distributor, so everything that I'm about to show you here is what a distributor can do with their website. When a participant lands on your homepage, they will see some information about a weight loss challenge. The text here on this page can be customized, and participants will also see a local area map that shows where the weight loss challenge is going to be held. There is a Meet Your Coach box, which the picture and the text here can be customized. They will see information about your upcoming challenges along with pricing located here. On down towards the bottom of the page, there is a place where you can embed a YouTube video, and you can basically change this and put any video that you like on here. And there's also a page of testimonials. There are some default testimonials included, but you can also customize it. There's also a page that has information for people who are interested in the Herbalife business opportunity as well. I'm going to go and show you what it looks like and how you create a challenge like this on your homepage. So I'm going to go to Challenges and Manage. And here's the challenge you see on the homepage. And this is one I created earlier. It's got the start date and the duration, the time, the pricing. And over here on the right, you see a list of everyone who has previously joined one of my challenges. So I can actually add in my old participants if they don't want to re-register online. I can just manually add them back to the challenge. I can mark who's paid and who hasn't paid, so it helps me keep track of that kind of information. Participants can register for a challenge online, and then they can also pay you for the challenge online through PayPal if you wish. We've got some test data here. These are all bogus participants and bogus data, but as the challenge proceeds, what it actually does is it helps you figure out who's winning, how much weight they've lost, and I have incomplete data here, so you're going to see a lot of zeros, but you'll get the idea. You enter in the weights, and then as the challenge progresses, it keeps track of who is winning, how many total inches they've lost, and information such as that. To record stats, you go here to the stats page and bring up the challenge in question, and you can run multiple challenges at the same time. And here is that test data that I was referring to earlier. This is week 1, and you basically enter in the height in inches, the starting weight, the body fat percentage if you track that, and then you do whatever measurements you want to do, and the system will calculate total inches lost. You can keep track of who is present for each challenge, or for each meeting, and that's week 1. Okay, here's week 2, and you can just toggle through week by week and enter in the data, and that is how it builds the stats for you and helps you keep track of your challenge. There's also a page here where you can control the handouts that the participant sees, and I will show you in just a minute what a participant is able to do with this site. But basically, you can schedule your handouts to either unlock automatically as the challenge proceeds. So, for example, by default, they're set to unlock a day before, but you can customize that. If you prefer, you can upload your own PDFs and use your own handouts if you have custom ones. Or you can just use the default Herbalife handouts with a manual unlock. You just decide which handouts are available when, and I will show you what a participant sees. But for example, here I've got the first 4 handouts are unlocked, and the rest of them are locked because we have not had those meetings yet. There is also a participant manager where you can go, and if someone calls and registers, you can actually create their account for them. And this is what this form is for. You can give them a username and password so they're able to log in and use the site. You are also able to reset usernames for your participants if they have lost it. There is some getting started information here. This is for distributors. It shows you how to create a challenge on the site, how to add participants, recording stats, and there's also some information here on contacting us for technical support, our email address, our phone number, and information such as that. Okay, so that's basically what a distributor sees on their end. And again, all of this can be customized, and if you have multiple challenges running in your town, you can have different pins in different locations so your participants can see where your challenges are going to be held in your area. Okay, so that is what a distributor sees. Okay, so now I'm going to jump over into another browser, and in this one I am logged in as a participant. Okay, so the participants on the same page, losebig.net/mark, and now I've signed in as a participant. Okay, participants can register online. Once they do that, they have access to their challenge information, and they can see their handouts, and they can also see their stats. And we'll look at stats first. And what it does here, there's no inches lost for this participant because I have not been entering that data, but I have entered in some weight loss data for weeks 1, 2, 3, and 4. I know the numbers are kind of crazy, but it just gives you an idea. These graphs are built automatically. Your participants can log in at any time. It shows their current weight. It shows them how many pounds they've lost since their last weigh-in. They can also set goal weights here if they want. It does graphs for weight loss. It also does graphs for body fat percentage. A number here that shows them their total weight loss. And again, this participant can only see their data. They can't see the information of any other participant. They also don't know where they rank, but they can see their personal information and see how they're doing. They also have access to the handouts, and if you remember previously, we have set 4 of those to unlock already, and here they are online. If you click on one, it's going to open up, just in your browser, it'll open up the PDF so that they can review that information before the challenge or after the challenge, and that's how that works. There also is a page here with some recipe information, and also they have the ability to view your featured Herbalife products that you have connected to your herbal nutrition retail website. And I'm not going to go into a lot of information on that but because this does include a retail website, you can basically tie your handouts to what you're doing, and you can also tie the products that are displayed here to the products that you want to feature from week to week. So this can all be customized. They do have a place here where they can contact you. You can put your phone number in here for them, your email. They can send you a message right here from the website, and that gives them some information that they can use to contact you. In addition, their challenge information here is always available. It shows them when the next meeting is. They have a map here for the location, so they can get there and they can contact you and review all their stats online. Okay, so if you are a distributor and you are interested in using LoseBig, you need to go to herbalnutrition.net. And once you're here, this is actually the account that allows you to get access to LoseBig. Okay, as I said earlier, we provide retail, recruiting, and weight loss challenge websites. You get all three websites for one price, $9.95 a month, and you have access to all three websites. And you go to losebig.net to learn more. Once you're interested in our services, you can go click on the Join tab, and from there you can create your own herbal nutrition account and retail website. You also get access to LoseBig completely free with your herbal nutrition account. Again, this is Mark with Herbal Nutrition. I want to thank you for your time. If you have any questions, please drop by herbalnutrition.net. Click on Contact. You can send us an email, and we'll answer your questions. Thanks again. Have a great day.